What's up, guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Zeneara before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today, this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Zeneara works. In a world where stress, fatigue, and the demands of daily life seem to relentlessly pull us in different directions, finding a sense of balance and well-being can feel like an elusive quest. The pursuit of holistic health solutions has led many to explore the realm of supplements, seeking natural remedies to support their physical, mental, and emotional vitality. Among these offerings, Zeneara Supplement has emerged as a promising contender, promising to harness the power of ancient wisdom and modern science to promote inner harmony and overall wellness. In this comprehensive review, we delve deep into the world of Zeneara Supplement to uncover its ingredients, benefits, and potential impact on one's journey towards optimal health. Zeneara Supplement is crafted with a meticulous blend of natural ingredients, each carefully selected for its unique properties and potential to synergize with the body's own mechanisms of balance and healing. At the heart of Zeneara's formulation lies the ancient wisdom of traditional herbal medicine, drawing upon centuries-old remedies revered for their ability to promote well-being and vitality. One of the key ingredients in Zeneara Supplement is ashwagandha, a potent adaptogenic herb with a rich history in Ayurvedic medicine. Ashwagandha is renowned for its ability to help the body adapt to stress, promoting a sense of calm and balance amidst life's challenges. By modulating the body's stress response system, ashwagandha may help reduce feelings of anxiety and improve overall resilience, empowering individuals to navigate the ups and downs of daily life with greater ease.